Hey guys, it's Betty. I am re-recording this video. Basically, I tried to upload a paper storage idea video the other day, but it was really long and something happened with the video, and I deleted it from my phone before I realized that. So I'm going to split that up. The first part I'm going to do here relates to a paper storage idea, and the second is going to be like my favorite dies to use up your scraps and stash of paper. So anyway, this bin is the Art Bin Super Satchel series. Not sure which one this is exactly. You can see it's 6925AB, but it's basically this long box that's closed. It has a, I think it's, I don't know the exact dimensions, it might say on here, but I know it's longer or wider than 6 inches, and it's a little more than 6 inches on the top, but it has a latch on it. It opens up and it has these dividers in it. And what I did, I've been cutting all of my 12 by 12 papers down to 6 by 6, and I've put them in some of these bins because I find that I don't go to my 12 by 12 paper pads. I have a ton of them and I just do not use them. I use them sometimes, but just not enough. I feel like I want to see what I have, and I don't want to go through the stacks of paper pads, and I seem to have accumulated so many of them. But this particular box, and I don't use it as often, so I don't know if I like this as well, but I've organized them more by color family, so it's a bunch of different paper lines all together, like pinks and reds, yellows, oranges, blue, greens, and then some neutrals in back here. I find that I go to the ones that are more mixed together by paper line. Like this would all be one paper stack, some of the different 6 by 6 pads together in a section. So that's what I'm doing. I've found it that I'm using my 12 by 12 papers a lot more. I do cards primarily, and so what I do is, I mean, if I really think that I want a full sheet of paper, I take one sheet out. There's usually 2 in a paper pad, and then I cut one down to 6 by 6. I haven't done this with my double-sided pattern paper. I'm not ready to do that yet with those, but I've been doing this with more of my paper stacks. So might give you guys some ideas. I did want to let you know if anybody wanted to use this for 6 by 6 paper pad storage. For those that have this little top part on them that are taller than the 6 by 6, they don't really fit. They're a little bit too tall. I mean, you could squish them in there, but I don't think you want to do that. But they do fit sideways. So that is an idea for if you want it, and then you can always page through them this way. So if you're looking for a way to store 6 by 6 paper pads, this might be an idea too. I like that they have lids because I can stack them on one another, but I'm definitely a person that sometimes I'm like, I like to go over to something and page through it, but the thing about having the lid on it is that you can stack things on top of it too, want more than one on top of each other. So just an idea. I hope that helps some of you, gives you guys some ideas. I've just found that I'm using my paper a lot more. This, you know, when I cut it down to the 6 by 6, it's ready to go. I can go die cut it. It's just ready to run through my Big Shot or Vagabond because it's the right size and fits through there. I'm more apt to cut it down. It's already been cut down, so I'm more apt to just go ahead and do that. So, and you know, I can see the play, you know, pick up pieces of paper, put them together, and see if I like the patterns together. Really easily pick out a few. So anyway, I will be back, may not be tonight, but I will be back with a video showing the dies that I like to use and some card ideas for that. So thanks everybody for watching. Bye.